ready to cook every meal, every cuisine, effortlessly outdoors with the Charbroil 28-inch Versa-Tile 5-in-1 cooking station. In this video, we'll show you how to easily switch between griddle, grill, pizza oven, wok, and stockpot cooking mode. First, clean and season your griddle surface and both sides of your reversible griddle pizza tile. Now let's get cooking. Before you start to griddle, make sure the round heat tent has been placed inside the open tile slot. Then place the reversible griddle pizza tile into the empty tile slot. For grill mode, nest the grill grate tile into the empty tile slot. For pizza oven mode, place the pizza riser into the empty tile slot. Nest the reversible griddle pizza tile onto the pizza riser and set the knob to pizza setting. Close the lid and ta-da! Evenly cooked za and perfectly melted cheese. For wok stockpot mode, remove the round heat tent that's inside the tile slot and above the round burner. Flip the pizza riser and nest it into the tile slot. Place the wok or stockpot, sold separately, on top of the pizza riser. Finally, when changing cooking modes, you should always use safety gloves to remove all accessories, including the pizza riser and heat tent. With this all-in-one cooking station, you can easily cook a variety of takeout quality recipes any day of the week. To learn more about your new Charbroil 28-inch Versa-Tile 5-in-1 cooking station, go to our how-to section on charbroil.com.